If you're looking to install security cameras in Nassau County, choose Abstract Enterprises Security Systems. We specialize in providing top-notch security solutions tailored to your needs. We just completed an installation in Nassau County, where we installed 5-megapixel IP cameras, featuring built-in audio and motion detection. Our cameras offer flexible recording options from 2 weeks to 2 months, all backed by a 3-year warranty. With Abstract Enterprises, you have remote access to your security system via smartphone, tablet, PC, or Mac. Our advanced features include built-in people detection, vehicle detection tripwire capabilities, and intrusion detection. Abstract Enterprises is known for reliable service and expertise throughout Nassau County. We ensure your security cameras are set up correctly the first time, providing peace of mind for all our customers. For those in Nassau County seeking top-notch security solutions, Abstract Enterprises Security Systems is your trusted choice. Contact us today for a free quote and experience peace of mind with your security.